This is a video demonstrate how to calibrate 100 ampere current clamp. Caution, we have to make sure the voltage has been calibrated before starting the current calibration. Now demonstrate 100 ampere current clamp adjustment. Press 2 time of white button to change menu. Press 1 for adjustment. Enter the password 1234. Press the green button to confirm. Select the fifth option. Press 0 to set the parameter. Highlighted in purple. Use the cursor key to select input option. It is default as 100 ampere, no need to select any input. Input the constant of an external standard meter. The reference meter has a constant of 200 at the 100 ampere. We can delete the rest of the character. Press the green button to confirm the setting. After the calibration parameter is set, we can start at the first calibration point. The first calibration point is 220 volts 100 amperes, power factor is 1. Inject voltage and current. It starts by counting the pulse from the reference meter and calculating the energy error. The number of pulse circles is automatically defined. The time it takes to calculate each error is also automatically defined. The first error was displayed. The first error is relatively high, we have to wait for the second error to come. Until the error shown in red color or less than 0.05%. We can move to the next calibration point. We can wait for a few more errors to make the calibration be more accurate. But it is okay to move to the next calibration point when it turns to red. In between each calibration point, we have to stop the current first. Now we can move to the next calibration point. The second calibration point is 25 ampere, power factor 1. The first and second calibration point is done at power factor 1. The first error is high, we have to wait for the second error to come. The error turns to red now. To have a better calibration result, we could wait for one more error to come. We will start on the third calibration point. It is 100 ampere, power factor 0.5 L. The first error displayed is very high, we have to wait for the second error. We can move to the next calibration point. It is 20 ampere, power factor 1. We have to stop the current in between each calibration point. The first error is high, we have to wait for the second error. The next calibration is 5 ampere, power factor 1. The constants are set to 2000 according to the external reference meter. Stop the current first. Press 0 to activate the parameter setting area. To set the constant as 2000. Confirm the setting and resume the calibration. The calibration point is 5 ampere, power factor 1. Waiting for the error. The next calibration point is 20 ampere, power factor 1. Stop the current first. And then set the constant to 200 again. Power source inject 20 ampere, power factor 0.5 L. The next calibration point is 2.5 Ampere, power factor 1. Again we have to change the constant to 2000.
.5 嘅校準嘅時候嗰個標準標嘅上數為2000，咁確認。好，我哋可以進入2.5歐校準。
The next calibration point is 0.25 Ampere, reference constant change to 20,000. Stop the current first.
然之後進入校準參數修改。
Set the constant to 20,000. Inject 0.25 Ampere, power factor 1. The calibration at a small current will take a longer time. Now we can move to the last calibration point.
最後一個校準點2.5摩。
It is 2.5 Ampere, power factor 0.5 L.
先將個電流降落嚟。
Stop the current.
然之後去
Change the constant to 2000.
標準常數設翻2000。OK。
Power source inject 2.5 Ampere, power factor 0.5 L. Now the calibration has completed.
我哋可以先將電流降落，
Stop the current.
然之後電壓亦都同時降。
Stop the voltage. Press the white button to save the result and exit the calibration interface.
校準參數。重新
Enter the calibration menu again.
選擇校準。
Enter password again.
3、4。確認。進入第二界面，
Select the second option.
查看校準參數。
To view the calibration parameter,
校準參數如果有變化嘅證明
compare to the parameter before the calibration.
成功，撳退出。
Press wait button to exit the page.
個